How to use duplicate cards to open chests in Royal Match. Now, if you get duplicate cards, you can get the equivalent stars from the duplicate. So if we go over here to our little list, we only have a few duplicates. Let's go find it. I think it's in my first one. As you can see, we have a +1. That means we have one duplicate for the umpire card. So this one is a 1 star, so we'll be getting 1 star of that specific card. So if we look in the top right over here, we can use our duplicate cards to open chests. So since we only have one card and that specific card is on 1 star, we will have 1 star. So there are 3 chests you can open up using those stars. So we have the wooden one, the silver one, and then the golden one. All needed to open up using stars. So once you use up those stars, you will lose the equivalent cards. So let's say I press on the 100 stars chest, and if we had 100 stars, it will use up and we will lose those duplicate cards. But that's pretty much how you use your duplicate cards to open chests in Royal Match. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.